Let's unbox and go over the ViewClear 70 4K Dual HDR Dashcam by REDTIGER. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Okay, time to see what it comes with in the box. You're provided with a user manual, electrostatic stickers for placing on the windshield, the 12V to 24V car power adapter, a plastic tool to help you organize the cables in your car's headliner, a tool to tighten or loosen the base of the dashcam to adjust the angle, replacement adhesive, a USB-C to USB-C cable for connecting the rear camera, cable mounts with adhesive bottoms, the windshield mount for the dashcam, the 4K dashcam, and the 2.5K rear dashcam. You're also provided with a hardware kit for hardwiring the dashcam to the car. This 4K dashcam has the new Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, which is supposed to provide better night video and low light video. On the side, there's a microSD reader with a pre-installed 128GB SD card or memory card. It has a 3-inch touchscreen, which is good in size, and the touch is nice and smooth. It's similar to using your smartphone touchscreen. There are also two USB-C ports, one for power and the other for connecting the rear camera. On the bottom, there's a menu button, a left and right button, as well as an OK or select button. Looking at the lens, it's on a ball joint which can be moved and adjusted to the angle you want. The base has a screw which needs to be loosened to be able to adjust the angle or pitch, and tightened afterwards to secure it in place. The rear 2.5K camera has an OmniVision OS04J10 sensor and Noctua technology, which is set to provide better low light and nighttime video compared to others on the market. It can also rotate back and forth, allowing you to adjust the angle to have the best view. There is also a USB-C port on the side for connecting it to the front dashcam. Once the windshield mount is mounted, the dashcam base can slide in and out, allowing you to easily remove the dashcam if needed. The dashcam setup wizard will walk you through setting it up for the first time, and takes only a minute. In the settings, you can change the resolution on both the front and rear camera, enable or disable car sound recording, change loop recording settings, adjust G-sensor sensitivity for when the car is in parked mode to pick up activity from motion or shaking to the car, and much more. The screensaver length can also be increased or decreased, but the display can't be set to always on, which is unfortunate. Personally, I would have preferred there to be an option to leave the display on at all times. By pressing the mode button, it'll switch the rear camera to the larger picture and the front to the smaller, switch the rear cam view to the smaller picture-in-picture, or show only the rear camera. Pressing the lock button will lock the recording and not let it get overwritten. The playback button will give you options of selecting video files to view from either the front camera, rear camera, locked video from either of the camera, as well as captured pictures. This dashcam does have voice control, allowing you to state a few preset commands, which it will do without you having to manually do it. Turn off screen. Turn on screen. Show rear camera. Show front camera. I like this feature and find it useful. On the top right, you can disable the microphone from recording in-car audio, enable or disable Wi-Fi for syncing with the app, or enable and disable voice commands. You can download the REDTIGER Cam app from the App or Play Store and sync it to the camera. The app will allow you to input vehicle information to better organize files by vehicles if you have multiple cars and REDTIGER dash cameras. Now on the app dashboard, when it's connected to the dashcam with Wi-Fi, you can select playback, which will display all the video and screenshots which have been recorded. The recordings with the letter F on the bottom corner indicate it's the front camera, and the ones with the R are the rear camera. When you select the recording, it'll also display the map location of the recording. You can then download the recording by touching download, which will store it in the app's download section. From the download section, you can save or export the recordings to your smartphone or device. This dashcam has 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6, offering fast download speeds for downloading recorded content off of the dashcam to either your smartphone or other devices. When viewing the recordings or live previews, you can go into full screen mode to get a larger horizontal view. You can also change video resolution from the settings in the app, as well as adjust loop recording times, disable watermark, adjust G-sensor sensitivity, and more. Touching preview will give you a live look at what the dashcam is recording. The 4K quality is extremely nice, detailed, and smooth. I've tried out some other dashcams which stated they were 4K, but came nothing close to the detailed and quality image the REDTIGER ViewClear 70 provides. It has a great field of view and captures everything needed in front of you. Whether it's day or night, you're sure to get a clear and detailed video recording. I do want to mention that the front main camera assembly can get a bit hot when in use, which is why I assume they don't give you the option to have the display running non-stop, probably to reduce any additional heat. I've noticed in general when recording in 4K, even with smartphone cameras, it can generate a good amount of heat. Now when it comes to the rear camera, do keep in mind I have window tints, so that does prevent the camera from providing a better recording. But even with the tints, you're able to get decent video recording. Overall, I'm happy with this dashcam. It's user-friendly, well-designed, and a quality product. So if you're in the market for a new dashcam and are looking for one which does really give you the 4K quality, then make sure to check out the REDTIGER ViewClear 70 4K Dual HDR dashcam. I'll place links in the description and I'll see you in the next one.